Hey everybody, I thought that I would send you a message from the beach where I live today. As you can see, I'm actually down here by the ocean in Mendocino. I moved here with my family when COVID struck, and so we've been blessed to live in a redwood forest by the ocean since then. I can tell you it's been a lot of work since we got here though, so don't get too envious. But as you can see, it's incredibly beautiful. Okay, but let's talk about your assignments for Module 2. It looks a little busy, but really your work is very simple, this module. You are writing your rough draft, artist path essay. You're watching a video, Grit, by Angela Duckworth, which is quite brilliant, and reading a short and very important essay about growth and fixed mindsets. So this is all really good news for all of us. And we're taking a look at David Sedaris's incredibly hilarious autobiographical account called 12 Moments in the Life of an Artist. It really teaches us that writing your own artist path essay does not have to be a grim task. You can approach it in all kinds of ways. So that's it. I want to encourage you to just get launched on into it early in the module. And I look forward to working with you guys this week. All right. See you in the modules.